What was I thinking? I didn't film it, but the fire alarm went off and it was very exciting. Just kidding, there was no fire, but there was the fire department that came here, and apparently someone was cooking and smoke happened, and there was a lot of excitement, a lot of people in the lobby because it was too cold to go outside. She got a selfie with the fireman.
I did, and I don't regret anything.
She's posting it.
I'm posting it on Instagram.
This sounds really weird, but can I have a selfie?
That's not what I sounded like.
It brings a tear to my eyes.
Hello. It's the next day now. We are going out to shop right now. It is supposed to snow all day today. And then we're gonna go eat lunch and then go dog sledding. So I will film that. Hi, Madison.
Hi.
Also, I just want cool goggles, because if you don't have cool goggles, you're not a cool snowboarder. I got new goggles that you'll see tomorrow. Tonight I really need to put on the stickers that I got, because I got some for my goggles and a Breckenridge one, and I said I was going to put them on, and I never did.
Just yells in your face. Email, yeah. Wow. And running next to her is toe. Bimbo! I don't know what's up with him. He is on one. I like to run him next to a female. He's one of my smallest males and likes to get in heights with everyone bigger than him. Okay, run him next to a female.
Oh my goodness, you're so
crazy.
Oh no! Oh!
fell off.
That was so much fun. The dogs were so cute. Weather was perfect. We saw the remaining parts of an accident.
Everyone was okay.
Everybody was okay.
Yeah.
I didn't film it, but for obvious reasons. Long story short, this road is so icy. There was just a certain curve where people could not get back onto the road. But that was crazy. The last day for skiing. Clips are gonna be a bit short today. I'm just full of storage. 232 cards filled up from the past few days. Around 30 degrees today. Not too cold. I'm excited, I'm ready. So we're going up to the top.
Yep. Oh, you're vlogging?
Like top. Like nothing above us top. I feel like Walter Mitty. Dang it, it died again. That is awesome. Okay, if you guys don't see this when you're skiing, you guys are in the wrong place. Oh, alright, let's do this. This is a run for the ages. I wonder if I'm the youngest one here. Oh, I can't see my board. I'm just gonna enjoy this powder for a second, you guys. Oh man, you've got snow all over you.
I know.
And this is awesome, you guys. That was awesome! So thick! So battery! Good job! We took 2 more runs through the terrain part, one more than what you saw because my card filled up. Going to the top was such a cool experience. Definitely worth the climb. I'm exhausted, but yeah, it was a great day. So today is leaving day. We're packing up right now. 2 flights today, just like last time. If you made it all the way through, that's awesome. You get a imaginary trophy. I'm only including this shot because the lens flips.
The Department of Transportation and the FAA have now banned all versions of this device on board an aircraft. If you are in possession of a Galaxy Note 7, please notify a flight attendant immediately for assistance.